I'm Marty Toll, and I work with a dairy operation here in southern Idaho. Yeah, I'm the equipment manager, and we run Volvo loaders. We ran them for about, I'm going to say, 12 years. The Titan MXL is the tire that we've been running, and we've been running that for about, close to 4 years. It's been a really good tire. We're really impressed with it. These loaders are all on a lease return program, and so right now we need to get about 4,000 hours of use, and we need to return them with 50% tread depth when they go back, and that's worked out for us. Do everything we do from day-to-day work of feeding the cows, snow removal in the wintertime, sand and gravel stuff in the summertime. You know, there's obviously weather conditions. There's a big challenge from day to day, hot conditions to slippery, wet, snowy, icy. So the mud, you know, the design of the tire, the tread design is real important, and we're real happy with that, the way it cleans. For our application, and you know, no matter what it is, whether it's running on the asphalt here or running out in the corrals, it seems to be making the 4,000 hours that we need to do for the wear. We've saved a lot of money running this tire over the competitor. Downtime is real crucial to us. We run 24/7, Christmas Day and Thanksgiving Day. So it's 100% uptime is so important. We don't have downtime. We're not rolling them off of beads. We're not puncturing them with rocks or anything in the application that we do. And that's another thing, you know, I mean, the service, the people we buy these tires from have been good to us and work with us real well.
I'm Craig with Wendell Tire. We own and operate a small tire shop in southern Idaho. We've tried a lot of different brands of tires. We've ran into this Titan MXL, and it has been money for us. We've the longevity, the cost per hour, the downtime, I mean, it's run out really well.